Well, I know that there is enormous success here already because I've had people describe to me at meetings in the university, outside the university, there's something exciting happening around digital problem solving. So you've already been successful in that respect. I also know that there are collaborations here that are almost unprecedented, the kind of boundary crossing. And that's a great success too. I just want to listen. This is incredibly exciting to me. It has always struck me that there are many resources here at Harvard that are underutilized and opportunities that are not fully addressed. I also am a huge fan of the digital revolution. And it's the combination of those two that really makes this so very, very special. I want to thank hers and so many others for making this really work. I do think that the chance to learn while you're making a solution to a problem is unparalleled. And I think that's true for people who are formerly students and people who are not formerly students. And so I'm going to listen and learn, and I just wish I could do this all the time.